You are looking at the 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. You can see that this boat has the Ebony Metallic black fencing with the platinum silver accent stripe. We powder coated the fence in black to give it that extra sharp look. This boat is featured with dual Biminis with your Delta Tower. You can see that this boat has your silver gray pillow top interior with the single lounger floor plan. Towards the transom we have the extended railing so you can legally ride on the lounger while you're cruising up and down the lake. This boat is powered with your Mercury 300 4-stroke V8 outboard. It is featured with digital throttle shifting and power assisted steering. This boat does have your total lighting package with interior and exterior LED lighting. Towards the helm, you can see that we ordered this one with the raised helm, which features the wireless charging next to the throttle, has your 9-inch Go 9 Simrad Chartplotter and Sonar screen, all JL audio throughout the boat with your onboard battery charger and battery switch. You can see that the boat has pop-up cleats, has the fender kit system, so it's a quick fender connect, so you can easily place the fenders in the right spots for docking the boat. Has a complete mooring cover, covers the entire boat. Thank you for joining me today in this video. If you have any more questions about this model or any of the other models that we have in stock, please give me a call or come visit us at any of our 3 locations in Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio.